CSIQ is in the move and trending as well. This is Wednesday, the 5th of November, 2025, pre-market session, up 12.01% into a day high yesterday, the 4th. Yesterday, the 4th, $25.30. That was in the post-market session. Yes, the stock is trending as investors are discussing the overnight surge of its China-based CSI Solar subsidiary to new all-time highs. We'll have a look at it later on. It's not fueling speculation about potential arbitrage opportunities. Committee members are actively debating the valuation mismatch between CSIQ and CSI Solar, with some pointing to a possible short squeeze. Additionally, there are rumors circulating about a potential sale of CSIQ's Recurrent energy arm for the driving interest in the stock. So, yeah, amongst other things, that's what we are looking at right now. Is it possible to see? I doubt if we can't see that here, but we can see CSIQ, CSI Solar here. So this is currently CSIQ up, reflecting this trend that is going on right now. Let's have a look at CSIQ, I'm sorry, CSI Solar. Yeah, that's CSI Solar here. You can see all-time high. Okay, extrapolation is saying that it may continue to print high prices up till Thursday. Yeah, up till Thursday. Okay, so let's return to CSIQ. CSIQ. So the stock is showing a lot of strength. Has been showing a lot of strength within a longer term bullish trend. This is not the underlying trend. This is the underlying trend on the 4-hour chart, but the bullish trend I'm referring to is on its daily chart. Let's just quickly glance at that daily chart. Yeah, the stock has been showing a lot of strength within a longer term bullish trend. That's the bullish trend. It underscores its underlying trend, and you can see it's looking bullishly upwards. Unfortunately, this extrapolation got today's extrapolation wrong. The stock is likely to hold this trend it has printed now. So we will leave this and go and have a look at the 4-hour chart, which is reflecting what's going on right now. Okay, yeah, it's saying that strength will remain in place at least up till the pre-market session of Monday, the 10th of November. Okay, and then after that, a brief contraction. Projections are saying 15.56. It's a downward projection, but we have this intraday high of 25.30. So we have something to the upside. All of its moving averages are trending. Yeah, trending very well. Positions opened all the way back to 800 hours ago are bullish. They are in money and in profits. Okay. So as things stand right now, it has been showing the strength with some momentum as well. Momentum has been building up. However, we are seeing an indication that momentum is not really going to be there as such. Yeah, momentum may not really be there. It's not say indicating that we're going to test the sort of levels we saw earlier on, at least as of Monday last week, Monday, yeah, just Monday, this 2 days ago. So that's another concern. Okay, so it is the algos are extrapolating high prices, but not a lot of momentum. Yeah, okay. Well, momentum may, well, in the interim, okay, it might decay. Just put it up till today. Okay, well, I can see not it's not out of place. Actually, what it's trying to say, we have to call this out. It's just saying that there might be a side, it may not really for today's trading session. It may just increase modestly from current levels, and then momentum may dissipate. But from the post market session from the pre market session of tomorrow, that momentum may increase again to see through much, well, it isn't part of tomorrow's trading session, but no no very I mean, not we're not expecting to, there isn't any extrapolation of this sort of momentum we have seen before, especially as of Monday. So that's the point I'm trying to make. So but on its 21 period moving average, momentum is expected to remain there. But then that's a different moving average altogether. So it's expected to offer some support. The 21 period moving average is expected to offer some support. So the underlying trend is expected to, especially in the very short time, is expected to remain strong. Yeah. So projections we have here, 25.30. We could just simply see if we can validate more of those on the 1 minute chart. Yeah, 25.19. Okay, nothing beyond that. Let's have a look at the 2 minute chart. Here, nothing. 25.19 as well. Nothing really. No. Let's have a look at the 3 minute chart. $24. Nothing there. 5 minute chart. Nothing here as well. Nothing here as well. Yeah. Let's come down to the come back to the 4 hour chart. So yeah. No, in any case, what we can possibly do is, do this. If we want to get something more ambitious, we could just do this. Subtract, we could subtract 21.45 from 25.30. With that, we might be able to project further. 25.30 minus 21.45. We have 3.85. Okay. 3.85 multiplied by 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 6.22. Add that to the current price of 24.54. We have 30.76. Okay. So 3.85 multiplied by 2.618. We have 10.07. Add that to 24.54. We have 34.6193. So yeah, those are the projections. Those are the projections. In the interim, there seems to be the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that there might be high prices may print, but caution is warranted because it's not going to be with the sort of momentum we have seen before. It's not the sort of momentum we have seen before, especially going all the way back to the 31st of October. So momentum is not really going to be. It's just not expected to be very strong. Not expected to be very strong. So caution is warranted. So there's a good chance this extrapolation may not hold. Okay, so just be careful out there, and yeah, let's see how things go. Let's see how things go. Be careful out there with the CSIQ. Okay, obviously this is still a pre-market session. Not a lot of shares have crossed the tape so far. We could just have a look and see what people are doing. Okay, they're selling and they're also buying. Obviously, obvious. Um, yeah, okay. Expecting to get in at 24. I get out at 24.4. Okay, 24.28 just in case. I think people are expecting. Yeah, $24. 24.5. 24.65. 24.70. 28.1. Okay, yeah. So just see what you make of CSIQ, and thank you very much for watching this video.